Hello and welcome back to the channel. I am Brad and you're on Supercar Street Racing. If you haven't been here before, welcome. We have something really special for you today, and you can tell because we're in Studio A where we have the best sound possible, because today we want to bring you something special. I got it right here next to me. This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm going to open this with you guys today. It has not been opened yet. We're going to do that all today. We're going to take a look at this Galaxy Ultra watch on Supercar Street Racing. Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. It is such a pleasure to have everyone back on the channel, and I am really happy to announce today that I have a Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra right here. Now, this was not sponsored. I paid full price for it because I want to check out all the cool features of it and use it when I get on my Peloton every morning. Now, this is a 47mm Samsung Watch Ultra. I did buy this directly from T-Mobile. I did not go through Samsung or through Amazon, but I'll put a link down in the description in case you want to use our official affiliate links for your Samsung Galaxy Ultra watch. Now, this thing is supposed to have all kinds of cool features in it. It does things like LTE, so it should have a built-in phone number so you don't have to have your phone anywhere nearby. I did get that extra line put in, and I think it was something like 14 bucks a month. No big deal. It also does things like it can track your sleep. It does GPS, of course, and a bunch of other neat features that we're going to look at today. Now, this thing is said to be rugged and reliable. It has much better heart rate tracking than the older watches do. It can help you compare today to yesterday, and it can also give you great tips about improving your health. Now, there are multiple colors available. I did go ahead and get the white titanium, and we're going to be checking that out when we unbox it here in just a little bit. Now, this Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is also IP68. That means it can stand up to 100 meters of water for 10 whole minutes. And don't forget, this thing right here has LTE. It can exist without your phone. You can leave your phone directly at home and still do everything you want to right here on the watch. This Galaxy Watch Ultra is also really good at helping your physical fitness. It will definitely track your physical fitness, and every day it'll provide you with a score that shows you how you're doing, so you can know whether you need to do a little bit more or you can do a little bit less if you want to. Now, this thing is also one of the longest lasting watches ever. Samsung says that this will last 100 hours on power saving mode. It'll last 48 hours on exercise power saving mode. Now, it's really good at tracking your heart rate. This uses AI to rule out all the other movements in your body and only track your actual heart rate. This thing has some really cool other features too. Check it out. You can actually do quick replies from your watch. This thing is smart enough to give you some suggestions, and you can just touch the one that you like the best. It's great for outdoor activities too. With GPS built right on top, you can actually use that to do GPS. You don't have to have your phone out the whole time. Now, one other thing I'm really looking forward to with the Galaxy Watch Ultra is the sleep stuff. This thing will help you track your sleeping so you can get your best sleep possible with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Okay, now that we've taken a look at some of the features of the Galaxy Watch Ultra, I think it's time we go ahead and unbox this thing from scratch. I have not seen it yet, and I'm super hyped to see what's in the box. Let's start unboxing this. Guys, welcome back, and right here in front of me you can see we have the Galaxy Watch Ultra right here, chilling in a nice titanium white, and our mission today is very simple. All we have to do is get this Galaxy Watch Ultra out of the box right now and see what's inside. It has not been opened yet. All I did was cut the little seals off the back right there and right there so that we could go ahead and open this for your pleasure on Supercar Street Racing. This is titanium white. That's what color this one is that I ordered. It comes in multiple colors. I decided to get that. And directly inside the box right here, you can see, we do see the face of the Galaxy Watch Ultra right here. It is 47 millimeters wide. And it looks like, I'm not gonna take that out yet. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it further. Inside of that, there is another Samsung box. So there is a new Samsung box right there. Looks like there is a quick start guide here. It's a USB Type-C wireless charging cable that goes on the back of the Ultra. Let's put this back together now so we still have it when we need it. Now let's get this band open and see what's actually inside of the band box. I'm hoping it's the actual band. And I did open it upside down, but there is the band. And that is the end of what is inside of the box. It is just the watch, the charging cable, a quick start guide, and a band inside of the box. Now this thing says to install the bands, you just press this firmly into the lug. Okay, so I guess you push this on. Okay, it did go ahead and snap in place. I think I did it right. And there's the other one. Let's see if it does fit my arm. Looks like this part is adjustable to hold the tab, the extra band, but that's the way it looks on my arm. It's loose still. I'm not gonna tighten it up. I wanted to get a good feel of what it looks like on my arm. It's pretty awesome. It's big, so be prepared if you want a big watch. This is a 47 millimeter. You can see how big that is right there on my arm. It's pretty large. So if you don't want one that big, get the next size down, because it's kind of big on my arm. All right, here is the actual magnetic charging cable. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up, but that's gonna do it for the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's get this guy charged right now completely up. 82%, let's see how long that takes to charge up to 100%. Hey guys, I just wanted to take a time out from this video to talk a little bit about Crutchfield. Crutchfield is one of our proud sponsors at Supercar Street Racing. I just want to remind you about their awesome customer service, their ease of purchasing online, their lifetime technical support, and the wealth of products that you can get just by going on Crutchfield.com. All you have to do is browse Crutchfield. If you have any questions, go ahead and contact their customer service. Crutchfield will be there for you when no one else will. Okay, we're back in front of the Galaxy Ultra watch, and it is already at 89% after about 5 minutes. It started on 82%, it is on 89. It's gonna charge really fast, but while we're doing that, we have the phone open right here, and we're gonna show you guys the Galaxy Wearable app. We're gonna hit start here. We're gonna allow it to find. I don't know if the watch is actually on yet, so it might not show my device. Let's see if we have to turn it on first. Yes, it is not on yet. I'm gonna go ahead and power it on. Let's go ahead and power this guy up. It's asking me if the numbers match my watch. They do. There is a software download happening on the phone now, which you will see on the screen. It is at 100%. I have to agree to all this stuff that I want. Automatic updates. Now it's asking me to select the apps I want on my phone. I don't want Audible. I don't want Spotify. I don't want WhatsApp. I don't want that. More things maybe. Now it's asking me what to get or recommended for watch. So the quick action button on the side is asking me what I want it to do. When I push the button, I am going to skip that for now. Choose a wrist and button position for how you wear your watch. Preferred wrist left, button position right, yes. It's asking me about exercise routines. I'm gonna skip that. Check your body's battery level. You can understand your sleep better. Also, we talked about that. And you can see if you're at risk for sleep apnea. Suggested replies. You can double pinch to control your watch. Wow, that's cool. You can pinch twice like this to control the watch. It's asking me to set up a mobile plan. I already have a mobile plan. So it's looking for my mobile plan right now that I purchased for the watch. So it refuses to go past the set up a mobile plan point. So that's all we can do right now at this point is try to get that part working. So I don't know what's going on with that. I might have to call T-Mobile to figure this out, but I'm gonna let it chug away on that screen right now. Okay, the watch did update, and now I'm gonna try it again to see if I can get it to connect to my plan. Let's see. It says finding out more about your plan, and it's still just cycling. So I'm gonna have to call T-Mobile, I guess. I don't understand.
How can I return that?
not really happy with the size and the weight, and also it really didn't set up properly when I got it, so I'm kind of been frustrated with that. Took me about 30 minutes to even get into support because of pin problems, and then it told me to reset my pin on the T-Life app, and then the setting wasn't there where they said it was in help, so I just been frustrated with it. No, I'd rather return it if that's possible. I'd just like to know if there's any penalties or anything like that that I would incur. I have a confession to make. I don't even know how to say this, to be honest with you. I returned the watch. Me to you, you to me, straight up, I returned it. I know I look so happy in the video, right? Well, so what actually happened was at the point where that watch was supposed to connect to the T-Mobile Cloud, LTE, whatever you call it, it would not connect no matter what I did. At that point, I tried to go on and get support, and my dumb PIN code would not work. I got super frustrated. It said to update the software. I did that. That did not work either. At that point, I thought to myself, am I going to really use this watch or no? Now, I have about 10 other generic Android watches, and I don't use any of them. So at that point, I thought to myself, do I really want like an extra line on my monthly bill? If I want a watch that I'm never going to use, I would only use it really for the Peloton. They make like $30 Bluetooth heart rate adapters. So I just feel like it's something I would not use. And the whole frustration with the line not working set me off, and I freaked out. I returned it. I lost a few dollars on a restocking fee, I think like 70 bucks, whatever, but I did return it. Now, if you want one, don't go by my experiences because it'll probably work for you. But for me, I couldn't get the LTE to connect and I had trouble getting support for it. So I ditched it and sent it back, and I will get a refund. But for you, if you are interested in the Galaxy Watch Ultra, oh, also, it was a little bit too heavy and too big for me. 47 millimeter is kind of big, so make sure you go to the store and look at one before you get a 47 millimeter watch. I returned mine, but you can have yours right here on the Amazon link. This refurbished one right here is $302. I will leave a link in the description for this guy right here. Go ahead and order it through our official links, and that will help out the channel so greatly. This is the watch right here, and you can see right here, it does all kinds of cool features. This one is in white. It is wireless charging. It does have some pretty cool stuff. It scores your health every day, as you can see right here. So every day it lets you know if you're doing better or worse. You can work out with a one-button tap, which is pretty cool. It's the longest lasting battery they've ever had, just like I said in the actual video. It does have turn-by-turn guidance as well that helps you with your workouts outside. It has so many cool features that you probably will enjoy it even if I don't. I just don't think I'll actually use it that much. It's pretty simple. It's just a toy for me, and I don't really need to spend, you know, the money on that. And then the monthly line as well is also, you know, like 14 bucks a month, I think is what I paid for unlimited data for just the watch. So I encourage you to get on Amazon and buy yourself one through our official affiliate links. It'll help me out. Thank you for liking and subscribing. New people, please hit the button for me. That's all you gotta do is one thing. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You've done your job for us, and we thank you so much for watching Supercar Street Racing. We're right here on the channel dashboard now, and you guys can see clearly we have 171,002 subscribers. 171,002 is what we're looking at right now. This is amazing. I have shared my content on multiple social media platforms, so this helps me out greatly when you guys subscribe. If you can't watch every video, we understand, but hopefully you can watch some of them, and you can help us out by liking and subscribing. Right now, we have to get out of here. We have to go get a steak dinner, and I don't know where we're going, so we got to figure that out too. Later.